Hi everyone, this is me Robin here. Hope everybody is doing great. Welcome to my day 19 of my 30-day challenge. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my workspace where I do all my chores at, my editing, my video making, all the things. I'll show you the space. Yes, this is the space I make most of my videos. And all my office work takes place in this place, my new ideas, content creation, all everything takes place in this room. That's was basically my bedroom. I converted it into my workspace. My lighting